Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best retinol cream is probably one of the most sought-after anti-aging products on the market, promising to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, and improve overall skin texture. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into Neutrogena's Retinol Regenerating Cream, exploring its pros, cons, and whether it lives up to the hype. I will share my honest review after using it for several weeks, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your skincare routine. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. It's the retinol cream that's been upgraded for even better results. It now includes a soothing complex to help minimize irritation while still delivering powerful anti-aging benefits. This cream not only hydrates your skin, but it also targets fine lines, dullness, dark spots, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. See a visible improvement in your skin's overall appearance. You'll see a difference quickly. It instantly hydrates for smoother skin, reduces the look of dark spots in just 1 week, and diminishes the appearance of deep wrinkles in just 4 weeks. This anti-aging cream is formulated with a soothing complex to help prevent irritation. It's dermatologist tested and suitable for daily use on all skin tones. It contains pure retinol, scientifically proven to be superior to other retinol esters, and hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Suitable for all skin tones and types, this cream is gentle enough for daily use. If you're new to retinol, start slowly and gradually increase usage as tolerated. What we like? It's a great daily moisturizer that combats multiple signs of aging at once. If you're a beginner to retinol and want to see improvements in wrinkles and dark spots, this is perfect for you. Start slowly and gradually increase usage for best results. What people say. The wrinkles, in particular my forehead, have literally diminished. They were very noticeable. As you see in my picture, I can barely notice anything there. Aside from the deep 11s, which began to form in my 30s, this cream has worked wonders on my forehead. I also had noticeable wrinkles setting in around the corners of my eyes and at the edges of my mouth. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. Fine wrinkles on my forehead and around my eyes appear less noticeable. Number 4. Neutrogena Eye Makeup Remover. Say goodbye to stubborn eye makeup. This gentle formula effortlessly removes even waterproof mascara without harsh tugging or stinging. It's a dual-phase formula that activates when shaken, dissolving makeup easily. Just shake it well, apply, and rinse for clean skin. Enriched with aloe and cucumber, it's kind to your delicate skin and lashes. It's ophthalmologist tested and perfect for sensitive eyes. This 100% oil-free formula leaves no greasy residue behind, making it ideal for contact lens wearers. It's dermatologist developed for sensitive skin. Remove all your eye makeup in one simple step. It rinses completely clean, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. See visible results in just 1 week with consistent use. It's a must-have for effortless makeup removal. What we like? This makeup remover is incredibly effective yet gentle on sensitive skin. If you wear waterproof mascara or have sensitive eyes, this is a must-have. It rinses clean and leaves your skin feeling refreshed without any irritation. What people say. It feels softer and smoother, and I've even noticed some of my fine lines starting to fade. Having had pre-cancerous cells removed from my face 6 times now, I know how important it is to use sunscreen year-round. I also am aging, so my skin needs more help to stay soft and clear. Before discovering this facial cream, I was using multiple creams to do what this single cream does. I have been using it for nearly a year now, and am surprised every day by the positive results. Odorless, not oily, softens and clears the skin while protecting it from the sun. And I don't have to wear makeup to hide damaged skin. My skin is now perfect. Nice face cream, absorbed nicely into my skin for easy makeup application afterwards. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This night cream is designed to help you achieve younger-looking skin. It's formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to target wrinkles and hydrate your skin. It combines the power of dermatologist-proven retinol with hyaluronic acid. This dynamic duo helps rejuvenate your skin and fight against wrinkles. This cream is clinically proven to instantly hydrate your skin, making it smoother. You'll see a reduction in the appearance of fine lines in just 1 week. It's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes, making it gentle on your skin. It's suitable for daily use. Simply apply a small amount every night to your cleansed face and neck. Let it absorb fully before going to bed. This anti-aging face cream features a clinically tested formula with dermatologist-proven retinol. It's easy to add to your daily skincare routine. What we like. It's a powerful night cream designed to tackle wrinkles while you sleep. If you're looking for an effective anti-aging treatment for overnight use, this is a great choice. It's lightweight yet hydrating, perfect for a nightly routine. What people say. This cream has a nice, smooth texture and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. I've noticed my skin looks smoother and more youthful since I started using it. The combination of hyaluronic acid and retinol works wonders for hydration and reducing fine lines. Plus, it's paraben-free. It's not greasy and absorbs quickly. It feels clean and won't cause pimples or clogged pores. Makeup goes on smoothly over it. Number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Repair. This daily moisturizer is formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight the signs of aging. It's designed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots, leaving you with smoother, more radiant skin. It contains our highest concentration of retinol, a dermatologist-proven ingredient to effectively target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. See visible improvements in your skin's texture and tone. This rich cream instantly hydrates your skin, smoothing the look of fine lines and reducing the appearance of dark spots. You'll notice a difference in just 1 week. This anti-aging cream is clinically proven to deliver results. It's been dermatologist tested and is suitable for daily use on all skin tones. It's from the #1 retinol brand used by dermatologists, making it a trusted choice for your daily skincare routine. It's gentle enough for everyday use and free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. Use it as part of your regular anti-wrinkle skincare routine for best results. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that can make a big difference in your skin's appearance. What we like. This offers a high concentration of retinol for significant wrinkle reduction. If you're committed to fighting wrinkles and want a cost-effective option, this bulk pack is ideal. It's a powerful treatment for visible results. What people say. The retinol is effective and the cream is very moisturizing. This one is strong enough to get results but mild enough to not irritate your skin. I use this product all the time. Number 1. Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus Eye Cream. This eye cream is specially formulated to target wrinkles and dark circles. It's clinically and ophthalmologist tested for safety and effectiveness. It uses a unique retinol formula with patented technology for dramatic results. You'll see a visible improvement in the appearance of crow's feet and elasticity in just 1 week. This cream also contains a micropeptide to complement the retinol and target the visible effects of collagen-depleted skin. This helps to improve skin's overall appearance. It's hypoallergenic, suitable for all skin tones, and free of fragrances, parabens, mineral oil, dyes, and phthalates. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It provides smoother, more hydrated skin instantly. You'll also see an improvement in the look of dark circles in just 4 weeks. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, it makes a perfect addition to your daily anti-aging skincare routine. Enjoy an at-home self-care experience. What we like. This eye cream is specifically formulated to tackle wrinkles and dark circles around the eyes. If you're looking for a targeted solution for these concerns, this is the one. It's gentle enough for daily use and provides visible improvements. What people say. The formula is gentle, even for sensitive skin, and I appreciate that it's free of fragrance, dyes, phthalates, and parabens. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, and a little goes a long way. This eye cream has definitely helped brighten and smooth the delicate eye area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.